Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Where today guys, I'll be showing you how to change payment method on Zillow. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in Zillow.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Zillow if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. In the top left corner, we have the buy, rent, sell, home loans, and find an agent. In the top right corner, we have manage rentals, advertise, help, and everything about your profile, and the search bar in the middle. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and change payment method on Zillow. So it is pretty simple, and you just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it in no time. Firstly, visit the Zillow website and log into your account, and then click on your profile icon in the upper right corner and select profile from the drop-down menu. Here, settings, and here we have the profile. Then navigate to the billing or payment section, click on edit payment method, and then after you have entered the payment method, what you need to do is go and enter your new payment information and click save to update your payment method. So it is pretty simple, as you know. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.